Hello and welcome back. In this video, I want to share with you a simple resource that you can use to start building those foundational understandings for your child in math to set them up for success. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Nevi Riar. I'm a former high school math teacher with 16 years of teaching experience. I started building my own math kits for families so they could help their own child start building those foundational pieces and setting them up for success in math. Too often, the resources that you see online are based on memorizing steps for a superficial understanding of math. The focus is really on doing the math and not understanding. But I've included activities in this kit for ages 4 to 6 to start working on number sense and building that number sense using hands-on activities. Today, I want to share with you one of my favorite activities from my Number Foundations kit. Let's take a look at this activity, one less, one more. So first you're going to pick a number, I'm going to pick 3, and we're going to snap 3 blocks together. Remember, the blocks are included in the physical kit. Have your child touch and count each block out loud. 1, 2, 3. Now for one more, we're going to add another block. Have them count the total number of blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they know when they construct the block tower for this column, it has to be a length of 4. And I've got that block tower here. The next thing I want you to do is have your child put the block towers right next to each other so they have a chance to compare the lengths. So 1, 2, 3, and here 1, 2, 3, 4. They can physically see that the block tower with 4 has one extra block in it. We're going to repeat the same process for one less. You're going to have your child snap off a cube. They're going to count 1, 2, and then they know they have to build a tower with only 2 blocks. Again, have your child place the towers next to each other. So now they can see that the number 2 is one less block than the number 3. They might also make the connection that 3 is one more than 2. You can even put all the blocks together. So now your child can see different relationships between these numbers. I really hope you enjoyed taking a look at one of my favorite activities from my Number Foundations kit. Remember, these kits are going to be available through the end of March, and then I will try releasing them again at another time this year. But for now, they're available through March. I will make sure to leave a link for Number Foundations. And I do have another kit that I've created, Math Foundations, and that's perfect for children from ages 6 to 8 or grades 1 and 2. So if you're looking to see more activities from Number Foundations and Math Foundations, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at MathTeacherMomBlog as I share so many more hands-on math activities that you can do to start building your child up for success in math. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.